Which is just why not? Yeah, who wants to do that anyway?
You could do that all day. You're on 70% there. I mean, it was on like 78% when I took it out. So
Right.
that's both of them. Right?
What do you need?
I'm just like, where's the gear? Where's the?
no gears.
There's no gears.
There's no gears, no clutch, no gears. So it's just twist and go.
Like a scooter.
Twist on, twist on to go, twist off to stop.
Okay.
And front brake, rear brake. That's it. So you've got on here, you've got different modes. So when it's in the kill mode like this,
Yeah.
you can press this button and it will go through and you can change the different mode. Oh, you've got parking mode enabled. Oh, I'll have a go with that. You can. Oh no, sorry. When you got it on, you have to have the thing up. So you come back out. So when you set up and you got the stand, you got it stand up.
Yeah.
So keep your hand on the brake. Don't twist the throttle. You arm it. And when you press this, you'll get. It should do. No. Where's mine? I can't remember now. So you can switch between, and you can go between rain, eco, standard, sport, canyon. But canyon is basically canyon's all eco and also gives you the top end. Eco only gives you 70 miles an hour top, which is which I think is crap because you want a bit more. So yeah, canyon's a good mode, but this is your make sure you control that because that's your safety sort of thing.
Yeah.
See, obviously, kill switch. Oh no,
It doesn't go until you twist, yeah?
Yeah. Try it now. Try it. Just hold the brake in. Just twist it forward now. Put a bit of throttle on. It's alright. It's manageable. Yeah, don't worry. It's all manageable.
One of it's going to lurch.
No.
You normally got no clutch. So I'm just like.
It's strange, isn't it, at first, but then.
It don't take long for you to get used to it.
No, not at all.
All the manufacturers.
Okay.
I like the fact no one could hear me. No one was reacting to me. Everyone's just doing their things.
Yeah.
Where I go. It's like, you know when they exaggerate with filtering and then they like throw their cars 10 feet over to the left like you.
Are you all clear on this?
Yeah.
You are. You know about the modes.
Well, yeah, he just showed
You're happy
me.
in Canyon. You get lots of engine braking in Canyon.
Okay, cool.
So if you like engine braking, that's the mode to be in, and you get full power.
Yeah.
And it's probably all you need to know really. The rest of it's just like any other bike. It's just got masses of torque and great levels of control from a single input.
Okay.
All right.
Cool.
Okay.
Is there anywhere to go or just?
I would go left out of the drive.
Yeah.
Go down to the roundabout, possibly take the second left, which takes you up to the M25. There's no speed restrictions, well, there's speed limit, but there's no cameras there.
Right.
You do go with the other side, straight over the M25. Be careful because the other side's got cameras, so you don't want to get any tickets. And then if you get to that's a shorter section of dual carriageway, go left there if you want to go for a bit of a ride. And then when you get to the first mini roundabout, bear slightly right, so left at the end of the dual carriageway, hit the roundabout, bear slightly right. You'll get to the McLaren, the big roundabout with McLaren's headquarters on. Just
We
go
go
for it.
left, then second left.
Left out of here,
Yeah.
second left, take you up to the M25. You can't miss because it's a dual carriageway, it sweeps.
Okay.
Get to the roundabout at the top, the lights there, go straight over, and then roundabout there, probably go left.
Okay.
And then at the next roundabout, so the next other mini, just bear slightly right. Yeah.
Okay. I'll probably get lost, but.
Okay.
Okay. Cool.
They do have their place, and they are cracking fucking nice. I'd love to take it around the track.
So this is a test ride on the Zero electric motorcycle called the Zero SR/S, which is pretty much kind of sports touring type bike. It's got a top speed of 200 kilometers an hour, which equates to 124 mile an hour, a range of 275 kilometres on the battery, which is about 170 miles. It's an A licence, and it's got a price of around 20,700. It's pretty much ridden in a twist and go, but unlike scooters, the rear brake is on the pedal and not on the left bar. So I'm kind of riding around unfamiliar roads on this one. The acceleration is pretty quick, but I don't think they actually quote it. It's got probably, I'd say, very easy for someone that isn't good at riding. It's got a horsepower of 113, which is about 84 kilowatts. It can usually cools itself. It also has a belt driven train with an electric motor on the back. So we're coming out here into this roundabout, and there's a lot of unfortunate traffic on this day of the test ride, so it was slightly, you can always test the bike properly. It's got Bosch brakes on the front, which with 4 piston calipers, and it's got a Bosch single piston caliper on the rear wheel. I did find that the rear brake was pretty much non-existent. I even stepped my entire weight on it at one point, and it really didn't do anything. The bike seems to be very good for, I guess, someone that's not an experienced motorcyclist. I probably think if you're not good with manual gears and you wanted something where you're not going to end up wheeling, this bike does not wheel. You cannot, I mean, control wise it just goes. You've got very little to think about, so I think if you're very new to motorcycling and you're probably looking for a scooter or moped type bike, this would actually be probably the next stage up if you're not into doing manuals, because you don't actually have to think. It's got a digital display, you can obviously filter, it's very easy to steer. It's pretty much fairly, well, it felt fairly light, but it's 235 kilograms, which isn't particularly great. It claims to have a 380 mile per GE, so a bit strange. The pricing did seem very expensive, but it comes with a 5-year warranty. Couldn't find any details on how long the battery would last. So I'm just kind of riding it around. Didn't really feel like filtering much because it wasn't my bike. I just thought best to take it quite safely. There are some storage options you can get for this. There's a different seat, more comfortable seats that you can get. There's some carbon fibre accessories that you can buy. Carbon fibre front fender, so mudguard. There's different things that you can change. You can get some side cases, panniers, that sort of thing. But yeah, I'm just basically riding around fairly gently down the different places. So I know electric bikes get a lot of stick. Probably one of the people that gives them a lot of stick. So I thought, after chatting to someone who's got one, where you can really make a comment is to actually ride one. So the Zero do quite a lot of these test ride days that you can go on. I'd probably recommend trying it. But I think overall, I think if you're an out-and-out biker, there's probably, you might not like an electric bike coming from an ICE or internal combustion engine. You probably think not, but if you're kind of new and you haven't been a biker before, and or you're coming from a scooter, then you'd probably find this fantastic, albeit very expensive. 20k for a bike is quite a lot of money, considering you can, Honda, I think, do a 1000cc bike for just under 10k, so you're not getting a great deal for your money. But this bike steers well. It's very easy around town, I'd imagine. Fantastic in London. You've just got that twist and go. It's quite a comfortable bike, very easy to manoeuvre. There's a lot of plus points for it. Obviously, you've got the concern of range. And battery can't really take it out, so you'd have to charge it and wait, but it gets charged in about an hour, and you're back on your way.